So this is a very quick tutorial about how you can convert any YouTube video into infographics. It is a very simple and straightforward process. We will go through step by step. So the first thing you need is definitely a YouTube video which you want to convert into an infographics. For this video, I want to convert this specific video into an infographics. I will simply copy the URL of this video and then paste the URL here in this prompt. I will copy the prompt, go to Gemini, paste the prompt here, make sure to select thinking and then execute this prompt. It will fetch all the details from the video which we will be using in our second prompt to generate a infographics. Now once we have all the details here, we will simply copy the second prompt and paste it in the Gemini 3. So here is the second prompt. I'll simply copy it, go back to Gemini, and this time make sure to select the create images and it will use nano banana. Paste your prompt here and simply execute it. So it has generated this infographics which really look cool. You can definitely add further details in the prompt like the coloring scheme or the design for the infographics that you want. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching this video.